Electric kettle with temperature control and keep warm feature. Introducing our state-of-the-art electric kettle, an essential home appliance for every tea and coffee enthusiast. Crafted with a keen eye for detail, this kettle is not just a kitchen appliance, but a statement of style and convenience. Get your desired water temperature in just 6 minutes, perfect for busy mornings. Features a 360-degree rotatable base and cordless design for hassle-free pouring and filling, along with a wide opening for easy cleaning. The Keep Warm function is especially useful for those who like to savor their beverages without the rush, keeping water warm for up to 4 hours. Enhance your kitchen and your beverage experience with our electric kettle. Perfect for any modern home, it's a blend of functionality, style, and convenience. Don't wait to elevate your tea and coffee rituals. Order now and experience the difference. Get yours now, only in Top Buys Galaxy.